After the gym, I went to the market. I came home and I started cooking immediately. We all know how the economy is right now in Nigeria. Hi guys, cook a low budget native soup with me. So I had my chicken parboiled because I'll be using this later while I went straight up to cooking my soup. My chicken is ready and I'm just gonna store it for later. Oh well, let's continue my soup preparation. So guys, my low budget native soup is almost ready. And how much do you think this soup will cost with the current price of things in Nigeria? And will you try out this recipe? Let me know. Bye guys.